Good morning, this is Bob Hilvers with the Clark Bonsai Collection. We've had a lot of activity of late around the collection. We've mounted a new exhibition, and this particular exhibition is what we call our 3 R's, restored, resurrected, and renewed. Every tree that we have on display has had some sort of renewal story associated with it, either being recovered from the brink of oblivion when the tree was extremely ill, completely restyled from its original artist conception, or in some cases we've simply renewed it and given it a new lease on life with a little better aesthetics than it originally had. Right next to me is a saguaro cypress that was gifted to the collection by a fellow named Richard Breslin. At the time that we got it in collection, it was extremely ill. For some reason, it had been sprayed with insecticide, and it essentially defoliated an evergreen. This saguaro, and we had no end of problems of dieback and branch death, and even the second largest tree in the composition eventually passed away. So that required us to completely restyle the composition. As you see it now, it's nice and healthy. It does look like it needs a little bit of a trim and a haircut. We're just allowing it to grow out and add some vigor before we go after it and start redoing the foliage pads. So the resurrection story on this one is that it was near death's door when we got it. We had to completely restyle the composition and restore this tree to health, and we're pretty happy with this result.